Sylvester Stallone's famous tough guy sneer was the result of nerve damage caused at birth when a doctor used forceps to bring him out of his mother's womb. Though turned down for a part in The Godfather in 1971, Stallone experienced some minor successes in films, including Rebel in 1973 and Lords of Flatbush in 1974. His breakthrough was his role as boxer Rocky Balboa in Rocky, the 1976 classic film that Stallone wrote and starred in. There have been 6 sequels to the film. A college dropout, Stallone went on to become a successful actor, screenwriter, producer and director. Stallone's extensive career includes such hits as Rambo and its successors, Paradise Alley, Demolition Man, Assassins and many more films. He was also involved with television, including The Contender, a 2005 show spotlighting hopeful professional fighters vying for a $1 million prize. Rocky opened as a musical at the Winter Garden on Broadway, earning the play's star, Andy Karl, a 2014 Tony nomination for Best Actor. Not all of Stallone's films have succeeded, especially when he broke free from his tough guy character. Nonetheless, Stallone's films have made nearly $2 billion at the box office. His net worth as of May 2017 was $400 million, according to Celebrity Net Worth. Stallone's latest appearance before moviegoers has him playing a mysterious character named Stacker O'Gord in the pre-summer blockbuster Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Director James Gunn says he plans to see more of the actor in that role. He's also the executive producer of an international competition show that has premiered on Netflix called Ultimate Beastmaster, in which participants go through some of the most physically demanding obstacle courses ever created. And, Stallone is hinting at an Expendables 4 film to come out in 2018. The original Rocky movie won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 1976. Stallone played Rocky Balboa in Creed, a 2015 film in the Rocky franchise, which earned him the Golden Globe Award and an Oscar nomination for Best Supporting Actor. His recent franchise film, The Expendables, earned honors at Spike TV's Guy's Choice Awards 2016. In addition to his many film awards, Stallone is an accomplished painter and sculptor. His work has been exhibited at Art Basel, the Russian State Museum, and the Nice Museum of Contemporary Art in France. Guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe.